Telly's Talking Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I am a Chuck Tour designer. When you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. And let me see how this is all going. There we go. And I just want to get this shared out. If you jump on and can share this out to anywhere, please do so. Thank you for jumping on. So, tripping me out. All right, so we have they keep changing things on me, so I never know which way to share out my stuff. But we are doing a house today, so there we go. Let me make sure my stuff is on here so I can see you. All right, so like we've done before, if you are new, say new or new to you, and I will be happy to tell you anything you want to know. But this is the wooden house that we are going to work on, and these are the reusable silkscreen transfers that we are using. I have already used these once or twice, and so now I'm just going to put it on here. Normally I would fuzz, and all fuzzing is getting, ultimately, fuzz on my transfer, just so that it's not super sticky on this kind of surface. Because these are reusable 8 to 12 times, they have to be super sticky. Yeah. If we want to keep them sticky, we have to take good care of them as well. I just realized those are in the way. So there's that. So you can see that there's stain on the actual transfer. That will be fine as long as the silkscreen part of it is clear. So I thought today we would do some Easter colors. So I did pink and purple. And I'm just going to do it. We're going to, I think, purple all the way around. And then I might do like pink here and then purple and pink there. I don't know. We'll see what ends up happening. So again, this just sticks down nicely. Oh, no. Okay, so we're doing purple on the outside and on the window here, because unfortunately I got a little too happy with it. So you want to make sure that this is nice and creamy. We do have new paste coming in, so we're calling it Creamy and Dreamy. So you can order that off of my website, tellystalkingchuck.ca, and you can find the business sites off of that so that you can get all of this stuff. All of my finished goods is on tellystalkingchuck.ca. They are for purchase, so let me know if you have any interest in any of that. So I'm just doing the outside all in this purple. And you want to make sure that there's no bubbles in the silkscreen so that it doesn't leak. Oh, that's a bit much. And a little goes a long way, especially because if you put enough water in it to make it creamy, there's a lot of chalk in this container. These are 3-ounce containers. Right now we're getting shipped 4-ounce containers, but with 3 ounces of paste in them. Oh, I have to do my other window. So this is just going to be a quick project. I wanted to show you how quick and easy it all can be. You don't have to make it super difficult. You can always do bigger projects. I know some people have actually chalked on their walls. I don't know, I don't think they've inked, but I could be wrong. So, it's just this easy. Now I'm going to do the 2 things in the pink. Wasn't exactly how I expected it to go, but we're good. And so everything that is under the actual teal color is going to stay white. As long as there's no leakage. It should all stay white and just have the color where we want it. Hi, Emily. Hey, Tisha. This is just a quick overview of how easy this is. We're just doing a little at a time. Alright, so again, these are silkscreen transfers, and I'm only using Chalkology paste. I don't need to use ink because we're not going to be washing the wood. So, now I'm just going to peel to reveal. And there we go. That's how quick and easy that was. I had it a little bit crooked, it seems, but it's pretty. Let me know what you guys think. And you can make your own projects too. Again, go to tellystalkandchalk.ca. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you got to see a bit of that there, Tisha, because I know this was a quick live, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. I love being creative, and so this company was like my thing. I was like, I like making art and stuff, but I can't draw, so this was something that I was like, yes, I can do this. Anybody can do this. So if you want to join, you can also contact me and I can put you on my team, hook you up. We have a great team of people. I was going to say ladies, but we're not all ladies. Yeah, no problem. But if you would like, and we also have Club Couture, which is our club subscription. It's a monthly subscription. It's a 3-month commitment, and it is $19.99 or $27.99 in Canada, and that's a month, and you get an exclusive transfer and 3 paste packets, not these big jars, but packets that are good enough for a couple of different designs. So if you want that, you can reach out to me at Telly's Talk and Chalk, and you can also sorry, I'm getting jumbled all of a sudden. I don't know what it is today. But you can also check out my VIP, Tully's Talk and Shop VIP, as long as you are not a designer yourself. So this is all I wanted to show you for today. Come back tomorrow and we'll do it all over again. Hopefully I will be back here at 4 o'clock Eastern. I just ran into a couple of different things that were going on today, so I was a little bit late. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.